If you feel lost in life right now, not knowing what you are doing, not knowing where you are going, and sometimes even questioning, क्या मैं लाइफ में कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ? Then stay with me till the end of this video because today I'm not going to give you a motivational quotes. मैं आज आपको एक अनकंफर्टेबल ट्रुथ बताने वाली हूँ जो शायद किसी ने आपसे ऑनेस्टली कभी नहीं बोला. And that truth might completely change how you see your life. Because the truth is, feeling lost is not a sign that your life is falling apart. Sometimes it's the first sign that your real life is about to begin. But the real question is, if feeling lost is normal, then it hurts this much. Why? Let's talk about it honestly. I want to start with a confession. A few years ago, I also felt completely lost. सब कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा था. करियर क्लियर नहीं था, फ्यूचर का आइडिया नहीं था, और सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट ये था, सब लोग लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते हुए दिख रहे थे. Someone was getting married, someone was achieving something big, और मैं बस खुद से पूछ रही थी, मेरी लाइफ का डायरेक्शन क्या है? And if you are feeling the same right now, I want you to know something very important. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are simply in a phase जहाँ लाइफ आपको स्लो करके कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सिखाना चाहती है. But before we go deeper, let me tell you a small story. A few months ago, someone messaged me and she said, स्वाति दी, मुझे लगता है मैं लाइफ में लॉस्ट फील कर रही हूँ. She was doing everything right. Good student, good daughter, good friend, but inside she felt empty. Every night she had the same thought. मैं ये सब कर क्यों रही हूँ? और जब लाइफ का आंसर नहीं मिलता, माइंड ऑटोमेटिकली अज्यूम कर लेता है. Maybe something is wrong with me. But the truth is, most people who feel lost are actually the ones who are starting to wake up. Let me explain something important about the human mind. When you are a child, life is simple. School जाओ, homework करो, good marks लाओ, clear path. But as you grow older, suddenly nobody gives you a clear map. And your brain hates uncertainty. Psychology में एक concept है, identity crisis. ये वो फेज होता है जहां आपकी ओल्ड आइडेंटिटी ब्रेक हो रही होती है और न्यू आइडेंटिटी अभी तक फुली बिल्ड नहीं हुई होती. और ये फेज एक्सट्रीमली अनकंफर्टेबल होता है बिकॉज आपको लगता है आई शुड नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, बट एक्चुअली no one really knows. Most adults you see around you are just figuring life out as they go. Difference सिर्फ इतना है, कुछ लोग pretend करते हैं कि उन्हें सब पता है. I want to share something honest. There were nights when even I questioned myself. क्या मैं राइट पाथ पर हूँ? क्या जो मैं कर रही हूँ उसका कोई मीनिंग है? And sometimes the scariest feeling was not failure. The scariest feeling was not knowing. But slowly I realized something. Feeling lost was not the problem. Running away from that feeling was the problem. Now I want to tell you something uncomfortable. And maybe you wouldn't like hearing this, but you need to hear this. Sometimes you feel lost. Not because life is confusing, but because you are living someone else's script. सोसाइटी का स्क्रिप्ट, फैमिली एक्सपेक्टेशंस का स्क्रिप्ट, कंपैरिजन का स्क्रिप्ट. एंड डीप इनसाइड योर सोल नोज दिस इज नॉट माय पाथ, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ लिसनिंग टू दैट वॉइस यू कीप पुशिंग योरसेल्फ. और फिर एक दिन लाइफ रुक जाती है एंड सडनली यू फील लॉस्ट. बट मे बी दैट पॉज इज नॉट पनिशमेंट. मे बी दैट पॉज इज redirection. Everyone on the internet says, find your passion. But honestly, that advice is incomplete because passion is not something you find. Passion is something you build. It grows when you keep showing up, when you try things, when you fail, when you explore. But when you are scared of looking lost, you stop exploring. And the moment exploration stops, life starts feeling meaningless. So, if you feel lost today, pause for a second. Take a deep breath and instead of judging yourself, say this to yourself: I'm allowed to not have everything figured out, because clarity doesn't come from thinking, clarity comes from living. Let me share some practical things that actually help when you feel lost. Not motivational advice, these are the real things. Number one, stop comparing your timeline. Comparison is the fastest way to feel like you are behind, but you don't see the full story of anyone's life. You only see the highlight reel. Number two, reduce the noise. Too many options can paralyze you. Everyone will tell you what you should do, but only you can feel what is right for you. Number three, start small experiments. Instead of finding the perfect life plan, just try small things. New skills, new ideas, new experiences. Your path will reveal itself slowly. Number four, build a relationship with yourself. Most people know everyone else in their life, but they don't know themselves. Ask yourself, what energizes me? What drains me? What kind of life actually feels meaningful to me? Sometimes life will slow you down. Sometimes it will confuse you. Sometimes it will make you question everything. But maybe life is not breaking you. Maybe it is removing the life that was never meant for you. And yes, that process hurts a lot, but it also creates space for your real life. If you are watching this video right now, I want you to answer honestly in the comments. Not for me, for yourself. When was the last time you truly felt excited about life? Are you living according to your own dreams or someone else's expectations? If fear disappeared for 1 year, what would you try? Write it honestly. Sometimes the answers you write can show you the direction you are searching for. If you feel lost in life right now, I want you to remember this: you are not late, you are not failing, you are not broken. You are simply in the middle of becoming. And the middle always feels confusing. But one day, you will look back at this phase and realize something beautiful. This was the moment when your real life quietly started. If this video made you feel even 1% less alone, then subscribe to this channel, because on Balanced Mind with Swati, we talk about mental health honestly. No fake positivity, no unrealistic motivation. Just real conversations about life. And if someone in your life is feeling lost right now, share this video with them. Sometimes one conversation can change someone's entire direction.